Good morning children, welcome back to our class. The previous class we have learned closed shapes and open shapes. See here, once again I will revise open shapes and closed shapes. These are open shapes. These figures are end points and we can't see here end points. We are not visible. See here visible. This is open shape. We can see here what is starting point and what is end points. We can visible here two end points. And see one more shape. This is open shape. Here we can see what is starting point and end point. These two end points we can see here. In these all pictures we can see two end points. Here the gap between the end points. The gap can be seen between the end points. They are not connected with one and another. Here see, they are not connected in these all pictures. So this type of pictures is called open shapes. What is that? This type of pictures are called open shapes. These are not connected with one and another. We can see two end points. See here, this is and this is. We can see visible is two end points. These type of shapes are called open shapes. And next, see here, this is square, triangle, rectangle, and one more shape is there. See here, these all shapes, we can't see end points, two end points. This is one shape and these four shapes we can't see two end points. These are all closed shapes. The gap cannot be seen in these pictures. So these pictures are called closed pictures. These are open shapes and these are closed shapes. And one more closed shape is there. That is circle. What is that? Circle. See here, one more closed shape is there. This is closed shape. This is a closed curve shape figure. This is the circle. Closed curve figure. This is one more closed figure. What is this? Circle. And the midpoint of circle is here. This is the midpoint of circle. And the distance from midpoint to circle friends, the boundary of circle, this is called radius. What is that? Radius. And this is also radius. What is this? The midpoint of circle and this is boundary of circle. Circumference of the circle. The distance from midpoint to circumference, this is called radius and this is one more radius. And both these distance from two boundaries through the midpoint of circle is called diameter. What is this? Diameter. So see here, radius and diameter of a circle. This is a circle and radius. This is also radius and diameter. Radius. The radius is the distance from the center to any point on the circle. See here, the radius is the distance from center point to any point on the circle. This is the one radius and this is also the plural form of radius is radii. What is this? Radii. This is the plural form of radius. So we can draw so many radius through the center point. See here. We can draw like this so many radius. And see diameter. The diameter goes right across the circle. So center of a circle is the midpoint of the diameter. This is the diameter. See here what is diameter. Diameter equal to 2 into radius. What is this? Diameter equal to 2 into radius. Radius means the center point, distance from the center point to circle on the point here. This is the radius. The radius is the distance from the center to any point on the circle. This is radius and this is diameter. Diameter equal to 2 into radius. Thank you. See here radius and diameter of a circle. Children see here this is circle. See circle and the distance from this is the middle point of circle. What is this? Middle point of center or center point to circle. The distance from center point to any point on the circle is called radius. What is that? The distance from the center point to any point on the circle. This is called radius and this is radius and this is one more radius. The diameter equal to 2 into radius. Diameter equal to 2 into radius. See in plural form radius is we call radii. We can draw some more radius. Like this we can draw some more radius. The radius and diameter of a circle is